Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys doing very well. ये मेरा पहला कुकिंग वीडियो है और आज मैं इस वीडियो में बात करने जा रही हूँ अपने स्पेशल पिज़्ज़ा की। लिटरली मैंने इतने सारे पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किए हैं, आउटर सिटीज़ में भी इतने सारे फूड चेन्स में खाए हैं, होटल्स में, रेस्टोरेंट्स में, बट मुझे आज तक मेरे जैसे पिज़्ज़ा का टेस्ट कहीं पे भी नहीं मिला। आप भी अपने घर में इसे ज़रूर ट्राई करिएगा एक बार, और मैं ये गारंटी देती हूँ कि आप भी ये एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे जो मैंने किया है। बिना देरी करते हुए अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं और एंड तक बने रहिएगा। Let's get start our delicious video. For fine chopping of vegetable, I'll take the vegetable cutter for cutting vegetable. I'm taking 3 vegetable, tomato, onion, capsicum. You can take any vegetable that you like to eat. It's only up to you. Let's start chopping vegetable in small pieces. You can also take the big pieces for the pizza if you want to take and cut it from the knife. But for my special pizza, I love to take small pieces of vegetables. Now our vegetables are chopped nicely. Let's see. Oh, that's amazing. That's the perfect texture that I want to. Now take a pan and take a 2 tablespoons of oil on it and heat well. Now the pan is perfectly heated. Now put directly all the vegetables on it. Now fry all the vegetables until they perfectly cooked. Now see, the oil is coming out from vegetables. Now it seems like they are cooked very well. Now put the salt on it according to your taste and make sure it coat all the vegetables. Now our coating is done properly, and now putting a pinch of black pepper and mix well until they perfectly coat like salt. Now take a chili powder and put on the vegetables and also mix well. Now you see our vegetables are going to be ready. Now saute for 2 minutes. Now see, our vegetables are ready. Now turn off the stove and now it's done. Now I take a pizza base. You can buy it from market. It is available on bakery shops, and when you buy it, it is only a white color. But before cooking, I prefer to cook it for few minutes in oven until the color changed. Now this is my favorite part. I put my special red chili sauce on it, and it's give a special delicious taste to my pizza. If you want to learn how to make a special red sauce, you can tell me on comment section. I'll tell you how to make a red chili sauce at home. I told you na, this is my special sauce, so you did never find this sauce anywhere. If you want to know, so tell me on comments. You can use this sauce not only for pizza, you can use with burger or any fast food. You can use also in sabji or anything. Now coming back to our pizza, spread the red chili sauce on all over the base so it give a nice texture to your pizza. Now second layer with mayonnaise. I take a 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and spread all over the pizza. Make sure you spread a mayonnaise in a heavy amount because it gives a fluffy texture to your pizza. So spread it out in whole pizza. Don't worry if it mixing with the sauce. It doesn't matter. Spread it nicely on the base, and now it's done. Let's move forward. Now putting our fried vegetable to our pizza, and it looks very nice. Now this is the third layer of our pizza. Spread it nicely. You can also use cones or decorative items now, and but I'll use the 3 vegetables because I didn't like the too much vegetables, but I like to spread vegetables nicely to my pizza. It's give healthy texture. I am using cube cheese for decorating my 4th layer pizza. You can use any type of cheese. Usually in restaurant they use a mozzarella cheese. You can also use it. If you don't have cheese, it's alright. You can mayonnaise also on the 4th layer. It's not too important. Or you can also put the paneer. Except this, you can use, you have a lots of option for that. You can use whatever you want to use. I love to eat cheese on the top of pizza. You can see that I put lots of cheese, and I think if there is no cheese, it is not a special pizza. So I'll put a very heavy amount of cheese on the top of it, and let's press once because it get inside the pizza, and when we eat the pizza it tastes very yummy. So I wish to press it once, and don't press it too hard because the pizza get destroyed. Just in light hand, see the texture of the pizza and the layering of the pizza. I love it. Now it's baking time. My oven is ready, and now I put the pizza inside of it. Place the pizza very carefully. The stand, check the stand, it is properly or not. Now close the door and set timing. Put on the grill mode and for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is sufficient because our vegetables already cooked. Just we have to melt the cheese, and that's it. Let's wait. Oh, my mouth is full of saliva. I can't wait anymore. Let's cook fast. Now it's done. Now take out our pizza. See the color on the top of cheese. It seems very yummy. Oh my god, let's serve the pizza. I can't wait anymore. Let's end this video fast. Okay, now it's time to put the oregano on the top of pizza. Let's sprinkle all over the pizza. I love to eat lots of oregano because without of oregano our pizza is just tasteless. And also if you don't have to use oregano, you can also all-in-one pizza pasta sprinkles that called, you can put it also. Now let's sprinkle a chili flakes. You can use the chili powder also if you don't have. I'll putting chili flakes. Now our pizza is ready to eat. Oh, I can't wait. My stomach is also speaking. So I'm using the pizza cutter for cutting my pizza. You can use knife also for cutting the pizza. I am cutting pizza in 4 parts, and it's your choice how many parts you have to cut. Cut it by your own. It's up to you. Now pieces are separated. See the pizza. Oh, it's too yummy. Oh, my stomach can't wait to eat. Let's try it once. It's too yummy to taste. Literally, it's too yummy. You should try it home and tell me on comment section how you like the pizza. Bye guys, be safe.